Yesod of Netzach. Yesterday we counted 26 days to the Omer, and we're almost done. Another week, the week of Yesod, another week of Netzach, sorry. And the whole week we were concentrating on success, victorious, being victorious, having victory, overpowering my challenges and so forth. But now I come to the point where I actually do have success. Now, when I have a success in my life, then it gives the person a very good feeling of fulfillment, or to fruition, or that I achieved something. And it's a good thing. We need to have these feelings. But nevertheless, when I do something good, when something I put a lot of effort and I toiled, and there is a success, it can be physical, I can make a good business, make money, build something, whatever it is that I worked hard for. I went through a battle and I succeeded. So now I have I did it. I was able to do it. And this fulfillment, in Hebrew it's called Hagshama Atzmit, that I'm able to bring myself to a point that I was able to fulfill something. But on the other hand, when I do something good and I have a sense of fulfillment, of course I'm talking about something good, not that I tried to hack a bank's computer and I was able to do it and now I have a very great feeling because I have a few $1 million and I was able to break something in. That's what I'm talking about that I have a challenge in my life and I put my mind to it. I said I'm going to go through this. I'm going to be able to do it. Or I decided to build a business or whatever it is, open a charity fund, whatever it is. I have millions and one ideas. You choose your own idea. But the second that I was able to fulfill something and I get to the point that I'm happy, satisfied, and full of achievement, that's when I come into a covenant with Hashem. This is when I do a brit with the Kadosh Baruch Hu. Why? Why is that so? Because who gave me the power to do it? Only Hashem. We spoke about it the last couple of days. If I think that the power came from me, that's very bad. I don't do anything. I do my effort. But Hashem gives me the tools, the ability, the time, the means. Chas v'shalom, should not go to the other direction when a person gets full of ge'ava, of pride, and says, oh, I did it. But nevertheless, in every time there's a success, and again, I'm only focusing on positive things. I'm not talking right now that a person wanted to destroy somebody and he was able to destroy them and he reached a success. That's not success. That's being evil. I'm talking about only when you put your mind to positive things. You have a certain addiction you want to get rid of, and you're able to do it. You have a certain desire that you don't like, and you're able to overcome it. You're planning on doing something good, achievement, to finish a tractate, to read a book, whatever it is. I'm only talking about these things. No, very important not to twist my words and say, of course I have a self of achievement. I sued my neighbor because he annoyed me and I got a lot of money out of him. That's not an achievement.